Good morning, students. This is Rohtas Sharma, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Department, RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus. Today our topic is fluid mechanics. In fluid mechanics, firstly, what is mechanics? Mechanics is the oldest physical science which deals with both stationary and moving bodies under the influence of forces. And mechanics is two types. First is the statics and second is the dynamics. Static mechanics deals with the bodies at rest, and the dynamic mechanics which deals with the bodies in motion. And the subcategory fluid mechanics is defined as the science that deals with the behavior of fluids at rest or in motion and the interaction of fluids with solids or other fluids at the boundaries. The study of fluids at rest is called fluid statics. The study of fluids in motion where pressure forces are not considered is called fluid kinematics. And if the pressure forces are also considered for the fluid in motion, that branch of science is called fluid dynamics. The study of motion of fluids that are practically incompressible, such as liquids, especially water and gases at low speeds, is usually referred to as hydrodynamics. A subcategory of hydrodynamics is hydraulics, which deals with the liquid flows in pipes and open channels. Now, what is a fluid? A substance exists in three primary phases. We know solid, liquid and gas. A substance in the liquid or gas phase is referred as a fluid. Fluid is a flow of motion. Distinction between a solid and a fluid is made on the basis of substance's ability to resist an applied shear stress that tends to change its shape. A solid can resist an applied shear stress by deforming, whereas a fluid deforms continuously under the influence of shear stress, no matter how small. In solids, stress is proportional to strain, but in fluids, stress is proportional to strain rate. Now there is fluid is two types: liquid or gases. Liquid fluid is that fluid in which molecules can move relative to each other, but the volume remains relatively constant because of the strong cohesive forces between the molecules. A liquid takes the shape of the container it is in and it forms a free surface in a larger container in a gravitational field. A gas, on the other hand, expands until it encounters the walls of the container and fills the entire available space. This is because the gas molecules are widely spaced and the cohesive forces between them are very small. Now, what is the difference between liquid and gases? Liquid difficult to compress and often regarded as incompressible. Gases को क्या हम इजीली कंप्रेस कर सकते हैं, इजीली उनका वॉल्यूम चेंज हो जाता है, cannot be normally to neglected and are related to temperature. In liquids, occupies a fixed volume and will take the shape of the container. गैस के अंदर कोई वॉल्यूम फिक्स नहीं होता है, it changes volume to expand to fill the containing vessels. A free surface is formed if the volume of container is greater than the liquid, and gases completely fill the vessels so that no free surface is formed. This is about the fluid and